Hello and welcome to today's session with Kinsey Tech. Continuing our journey with SOQL, SOQL, Salesforce Object Query Language. Today we're going to introduce comparison operators. So we know a basic query where I can get the names of all of my accounts. In other words, it's select and then the field name, which is name, and then from, and the name of the object I'm getting my data, which is accounts. Select, name, from, accounts. Today, we're going to talk about that filtering process, what's called the where clause. We're going to add a where and then some conditions to kind of filter. And we don't need to get, if I have 100,000 accounts, I don't want to look at all 100,000 accounts. I'm trying to look at a subset of that data, some of that data. So we're going to see how we can filter that data and what filters we would use. First, we're going to explain the theory, and then we're going to go hands-on and dig into it. On a higher level, let's take an example of where I'm looking for an account name where the name on the account is Michael Jordan. So then I'll do select name from the object name, which is account, where, and then I'll put the field name, which is name, and then equal sign Michael Jordan. Because it's a string, I'm going to put it between single quotes. So whenever I want something and I know the exact value, I'm going to put equal to. I want where the amount is $100. So I'm going to go in and put select name from opportunity, for example, where amount is equal to 100. Then there's other operators, which in some cases we're looking for different things. So I'm looking for where the amount is more than $100. And by the way, the word more, we're going to give a couple of examples where it might mean more than one thing. So if I'm looking for something that's more than $100 or higher than $100, then I would put select name from opportunity where amount is greater than, it's kind of like a triangle facing the right side, greater than $100. So if I have something that's $99, it's not going to show in my report. If I have something that's $105, it's more than $100, it's going to show. However, if I have something that's $100, it's not going to show because I said greater than, and greater than does not include that 100. But if I want to include that 100, what would I do? I would have greater than equal to, which stands for greater than or equal to, which means if it's $100 or if it's greater than $100, then include it. So equal to, greater than or equal to, those are all examples of different operators. Now we're going to jump into our Kinsey Tech course, where again, you're going to have an attachment. So you can open that attachment that has all the queries that we're going to go through. And hopefully by the end of this session, you'll be an expert on all the different operators. So let's move on to the hands-on.